Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you deactivate your Facebook account. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook app. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the application, just go to these three bars into the top right side. Then click to this gear icon in order to go to settings. Step 2. Go to Meta Account Center. Now after coming to settings and privacy, you can see this Meta Account Center option into the top. You just simply have to click into that. And after going into Meta account, just simply select personal details option here. Step 3. Go to account ownership and control. Now you just simply have to go to account ownership and control option here. And then just simply select deactivation or deletion from there and select your account. Step 4. Deactivate the account. Now after coming to this deactivation or deletion section, you just simply have to select this deactivate account option here and click to continue. Now you just simply have to enter your password into this box, and after entering the password just simply click to continue. Then select a suitable reason for deactivating the account and click to continue. Now from here, you can select the time range for your account to automatically reactivate. If you don't want to reactivate automatically, you can choose this option here and click to done. Now click to continue. If you want to close your messenger or not. After selecting that optional option, click to this deactivate my account option. Your account will successfully be deactivated. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.